Fourth standard students, let us start from page number 126, Gangu Sweets. Gangu is making sweets for Eid. Already we have done in the online classes. He has made a tray of 80 laddus. You can see here 80 laddus tray. Please pick 4 laddus in a box. I need 23 small boxes. That girl is thinking I need 23 small boxes. In one box I will I'll tell to the Gangu to pick 4 laddus. So in 23 small boxes, 23 into 4, yes, 92 laddus total. But laddus are in the tray, only 80. So now see the question, are the sweets in the tray enough to pick 23 small boxes? No. How many more sweets are needed? 23 boxes we have to pick with 4 laddus and 80 are here. So how much more laddus we need? 23 4s are 92. 92 minus 80 is here. So 12 laddus we need more. Now see, Gangu also has a bigger box in which he packs 12 laddus. How many boxes does he need for picking 60 laddus? Let us start. Now see, number of box Gangu needs to pick 12 laddus equal to 1. In one box, Gangu wants to pick 12 laddus. Now laddus, number of laddus 60. So number of boxes Gangu needs to pick 60 laddus. This number you will take in the numerator, this you will take in the denominator, and this again you will take in the numerator. So 60 ones are 60. When you will divide 60 by 12, division already I taught you, then form the table, then you will get answer. Okay, and in the statement form you will write, so Gangu needs dash number of boxes. In dash, place of dash you will write your answer. Now next is practice time. So in the practice time, question number 1, Neelu brought 15 story books to her class. Today 45 students are present. How many children will need to share one book? Children, first you will write given and total number of present students. That means in the 45 we have to distribute 15 books. So we will divide 45, 15. 45 we will divide by 15, then we will get answer. Let us start. You can see here given number of story books is equal to 15, number of present students is equal to 45, the number of children will share one book is equal to 45 divided by 15. You will show their method. I am having not enough space, so that's why I am not solving, but division you know. Form the table, then you will get answer. In the statement form you will write, so dash number of children will share one book. Next question is, a family of 8 people needs 60 kg wheat for a month. For 30 days, how much wheat does the family need for a week? Here in 1 month we know 30 days and week, because the answer is asking in week. So we know 4 weeks form a month. Okay, then first 4 weeks are given, then we will calculate for 1 week. Okay. Now you can see the quantity of wheat needs for a family for 4 weeks, because you will write in the statement form on the top their solution. Okay, 4 weeks form a month. Okay, then you will write the quantity of wheat needs for a family for 4 weeks 60 kg. The quantity of wheat needs for a family for 1 week is equal to, this number you will take in the numerator, this you will take in the denominator, and then division method you will show inside, and whatever answer you are getting you will write. Okay, for 1 week the quantity of wheat needs for a family dash kg. Now third question, you can see Razia wants change for rupees 500. How many notes will she get if she wants to return all 100 rupees note? So in what number we will multiply, then we will get 500. So 100 5s are 500. Okay, or you can divide in 500 by 100. You can see here. So when you will divide in 500 by 50, you will get number of rupees. In this way we will solve. So when you will divide, you will get 100 5s are 500. So 5 notes of rupees 100. Okay, in 50 which number we will multiply? So we will get 500 rupees. So 10. And other way, in 500 you will divide by 50. So 50 tens are 500. So 10 notes of rupees 50 we need 20. So divide, when you will divide, you will get 25, then 5. Okay, now next question. You have to distribute 72 tomatoes equal in 3 baskets. How many tomatoes will there be in each basket? Okay, let us start. Now see here, number of tomatoes can be picked in 3 baskets is equal to 72. So number of tomatoes can be picked in 1 basket is equal to, this number always be taken on in the numerator, this you will take in the denominator, 1 is in the numerator. So we can neglect the 1. And if you want to write multiply sign and 1, you will write 72 1s are 72. Again you will get same thing. Now division, you will do method, you will show division. In the answer statement form you will write, so this number of tomatoes we can pack in 1 basket. Okay. Now next is, there are 350 bricks in a handcart. Vinod found the weight of bricks to be 2 kg. What will be the weight of all the bricks? Okay, 350 bricks and the weight of 1 brick is equal to 2 kg. Then we have to calculate the bricks of this 350 bricks. Okay, given the weight of 1 brick is equal to 2 kg, then the weight of 350 bricks is equal to 350 into 2, because so many bricks you can see. For 1, the quantity of our unit we know for 1. For so many, always multiplication operation we take, and the statement form you will write the answer. So the total weight of 350 bricks is dash kg. Here the chapter is finished. Now you will complete your notebook and take practice of this chapter.